Want to place order on Shein? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily place your order on Shein. First thing first, move into the official website or head over to the application Shein. Once you're inside the official website, make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now simply search for any of the product that you want to order. Let's say I want to order this t-shirt. Simply click on the product. Now scroll down and choose the size that you want to order. Once selected, you can also select the color as well. Once you've selected color, now click on Add to Cart at the bottom of the screen. Once it has been added to the cart, now move into Cart. Choose the product that you want to order and then click on Checkout at the bottom right corner. Wait for a while for it to load. In order for you to complete the placing order process, all you gotta do is enter all the information that you're asked here. Once you've entered, click on Save at the bottom of the screen. After that, you will need to enter your payment method. Once entered, you need to pay the amount. Once the amount has been paid, your order will be placed successfully, and then your order will get delivered in the time they have mentioned. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.